Let's solve this equation from A-level math. So 6x plus the root of x minus 1 equals 0. So this is a disguised or stealth quadratic. So what you do is you can write 6 and then we write the x as the root of x, but then square this quantity because this is equivalent to just writing x in the first place. And then you add the root of x and then the minus 1, and this is equal to 0. Now from here just set u equal to the root of x, and with that replacement you have 6u squared plus u minus 1 equals 0. So now we do have a quadratic in the variable u. You can factor this, so however you know how to factor, one thing that you can do is you can write 6u squared, for example, and just rewrite the middle as 3u minus 2u minus 1 equals 0. That's allowed. We just rewrite the 1 positive u as 3u minus u. These are equivalent. Now from the first two terms, just factor 3u out, and then you have 2u plus 1 left over, because 3u times 2u is 6u squared, 3u times 1 is 3u. From the other two terms, negative 2u and negative 1, factor negative 1 out. And when you do that, negative 2 divided by negative 1 is positive 2, negative 1 divided by negative 1 is positive 1, this is equal to 0. We're on the right track because we have 2u plus 1 repeating. Then you put pieces together, so 3u minus 1 equals 0, or 2u plus 1 equals 0. From the first equation, solve that, so u is equal to 1/3, and from the second equation, solve that, so u is equal to negative 1/2. Now notice that u was set originally to be the root of x, so you can say the root of x is equal to 1/3. This can be solved for x, the root of x, that is, just square both sides, so like this. So the root of x squared, so that means on the left side here you just have x, on the right side you have now 1/9. For the other one where it says u equals negative 1/2, what you have is now, using the definition of u as the root of x, you have the root of x equals negative 1/2. This has no solution, which means the only solution then to the question is right here. X equals 1/9. Another nice example of using, well, solving a stealth quadratic equation. Leave a like if it's been helpful.